Well, finally, a closure in a journalist Soumya Vishwanathan murder case. The case that dates back to 2008 finally had a hearing in Delhi's Saket court, where the court convicted and gave the quantum of punishment to the four accused for life term, and the fifth accused received a term for 3 years. This case particularly had definitely jolted the very conscience not just of the residents of Delhi but also of the judiciary of this country, where it dragged for so long. A family which waited for justice for more than 15 years now finally finds closure here with the judgment coming from Delhi's Saket court. The details of the judgment are as follows. The convicts Ravi Kapoor, Ajay Kumar, Baljeet Malik and Amit Shukla face charges under the Murder and MCOCA, which is Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act. The court has also imposed a fine of 1.2 lakh rupees on each of the four individuals. The fifth accused, Ajay Sethi, has received a 3-year jail term. Primarily, the court also found that the attack on Soumya that happened on that fateful night in 2008 was primarily due to with a motive of robbery. Soumya Vishwanathan, who was an employee with a private television news channel, was fatally shot in her car in Vasant Kunj, one of the poshest and the secure areas of the capital city, New Delhi, on September 30th, 2008, while returning from work. The court's decision follows an earlier conviction in October, where Judge Rabindra Kumar Pandey found the accused guilty of the charges. One thing which is very important to note here is that during the recent sentencing proceedings, the public prosecutor highlighted discrepancies between an unsatisfactory conduct report from the DLSA for convict Amit Shukla and the jail superintendent's report. The case had initially been linked to robbery, and the police investigation identified the perpetrators during the inquiry into the murder of another journalist, Jigisha Ghosh. The sentencing provides a sort of closure in the case that has lingered for many years, and definitely for us also, for the journalist fraternity who work in various parts of the country, the case of Soumya Vishwanathan, a life snuffed out so young, so early, that the very concept whether even the journalists are safe or not, or whether they are the safety net around them in the line of duty before and after hours of work, is something that was brought under scrutiny. A lot of debate was conducted. It was still going on, but nonetheless, from Delhi's Saket High Court, this decision, as of now, Delhi's Saket Court, I beg your pardon, this decision could be to a great extent bringing a closure to the family. Whether the debate is still on, whether the convicts should have been awarded the death penalty, that is something that is still being discussed. But as of now, the news coming from New Delhi is that the accused in Soumya Vishwanathan murder case have been given life term for the murder in 2008.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.